In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a response from ChatGPT. If you've ever gotten a great answer from ChatGPT and wanted to show it to someone else, the built-in share feature makes that quick and simple. We'll walk through exactly how to do it, and I'll point out a few tips so you feel confident about what you're sharing. First, open the ChatGPT conversation that contains the response you want to share. You're looking for the specific message bubble with the content you want others to see. Take a moment to confirm it's the right response and that it doesn't include anything private or sensitive. Sharing creates a public link that anyone with the link can view, so it's always smart to double-check the content first. Next, move your mouse over the response you want to share. When you hover over that message, you should see a small toolbar appear. Look for the share icon. Usually it looks like an arrow pointing out or a typical share symbol. If you don't see it at first, try hovering closer to the top right area of the message bubble and give it a second to appear. Click the share icon. A sharing panel will open with a few options. You'll see choices like copy link, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Reddit. Copy link is the most versatile option. It places a shareable URL on your clipboard so you can paste it into an email, a chat app, a document, or anywhere else you need. It's great when you want control over where and how the link is sent. If you prefer to post directly to a social platform, choose Twitter, LinkedIn, or Reddit. Selecting one of these will typically open a new window that's pre-filled with the link to the response, ready for you to add a caption or any context your audience might need. Before you publish, skim the preview to make sure it reflects exactly what you want to share. That's all there is to it. Go to the conversation with the response. Hover over the message to reveal the share icon, click it, and then pick the destination that fits your needs. As a final tip, if you're sharing professionally, consider adding a short line of context wherever you paste the link so people know what they're about to read. And if at any point you change your mind about a public link, return to the conversation and check for controls to adjust or remove the share. You now know the fastest way to share a ChatGPT response with colleagues, friends, or your followers. Happy sharing!